This is the elevator here at IKEA in Canton, Michigan. Here are you. Hey, Kathy on the way down. This one is extremely busy. This is a Minnesota elevator, 10,000 pound capacity. Here I am. Take this one another round trip. Let's hear the motor. Here we go. Here are you. There's probably gonna be people by this elevator, so I'm gonna end this video.
Yeah, I'm kidding. You've never seen an elevator this big anywhere. Like when my dad had to stay in a hotel while they were doing work on his house. That elevator at Holiday Inn was small.
Yeah, it was
and
very
they
small.
even had a sign that said like no jumping in the elevator. If you do and it stops, you're like you'll be charged or whatever.
What? Dang.
Yeah. You'd think of a hotel with everybody having luggage.